Hello my friend, I hope you are well. I'm Ahmad MousaviPour, Flamenco guitarist and guitar teacher. Today I'm going to teach you flamenco technique, Rajeo or RASGUEADO. Okay, let's go to the start. First, you can practice this lesson. Yes. You fist finger on your hand. P, I, name of finger, P, I, M, A, N, X, or E. You fist the finger on your hand and throw in forward, step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1, 3 and 4. 1 and 1. Just one rhythm. Five. Five rhythm. You can turn on the metronome and time signature in 4 and 100 BPM or 19 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Or without chord. 1, 2, 3. Slowly. Okay. You can see sheet music here. 5 RASGUEADO, 4 RASGUEADO, 2, 4, 'It's not good. 5 is better. 2, 5 RASGUEADO and I, up, down, I, up, down. 2, 5 RASGUEADO, and up, down with I finger. Okay, faster. Second, yes. Bulgaria's is different. Excuse me. Or difficult RASGUEADO. 4 RASGUEADO. 1, 2, 3. Up, down, high.